Get forever 20. I'm a woman. We never say our age.
I know that.
But I'm still young. Well, not really. It's not a surprise, but we just put something together with the big club. They reached out to me, so I was like, why not? It was Gareth. I was going somewhere else. I was somewhere, and they were like, please come to our club. So I was like, why not? Straight away,
Gareth, yes, I said that over.
Really, I'm a billionaire myself, so why would they pay for me? I'm a billionaire.
Let's buy your Mukazi Obufumbo.
Erangi, Mr. Wako obudde bugenze.
Tokikuluma okubanga tazze kujaguza naawe ku mazaalibwa.
You know why I came in late? I came in late kubanga mbadde ntamaliza byawaka naye and he doesn't want to be up, so nengamba why not? Ye yakitaddemu kyonna.
Obaga bwe buti obw'amazaalibwa obwammwe ba biliyoni abadde bukyaludde okulabika. For this time ebbanga libadde ligenze nga temukyabujaguza. Lwaki mubukomezzaawo kati ki ekyali kyabaawo kubanga obaga obwo tebukyaliwo?
It was all about COVID. My husband during the birthday in COVID, and it wasn't good. So it was good, but the press much full us so bad. Tukomyewo kubanga now COVID yakendeedde. So life is too short, guys. We live every day, we die once. So why not?
Does this feel okubanga celebrating a birthday ey'emyaka gy'abiri gy'otugambye? Owulira otya?
Feels so good. Thank God for the gift of life. I'm healthy. My kids are healthy. My husband is healthy. Why not? My sisters, my friends. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. Who am I to be here? People die every day. I have everything on the table. Why don't I celebrate? And that's it. And dreamland. They're happy. That's why we didn't respond, because people wake up creating a bit to me to in life. I'm okay. I know who my husband is. I know where we are in life, and I know what he's capable of. If you're not private about it to be seconded, but it was all noise. Everyone has a motive of what they do.
What's the reason behind your creating ebibozi webitongo okujja okulaba nga biyingira mu maka ago ne Haji?
Anti kuba tuli happy nnyo, tuli basanyufu bannange. People are so sad that tebaagala kulaba nti bali happy. Bwe batulaba ne Haji, I think, I don't know. People are so sad. People don't want to see other people happy. People have motives. Nanga simanyi, but Zene Haji tuli fine. Tuli very fine. If anything, tinaja up, it will either be me or Haji. Kwanga relationship ya very out there. Try to take her out there. If something came up, era mujjatira batujja batera out there. Nenga tuli fine.
Olowooza wali abali abalwanyisa relationship yammwe abaagala okulaba ng'eggwawo?
I don't know about that. Kyemanyi nze Haji kasaba ampisanga. What he promised is what it is right now. So simanyi abalala whatever they're thinking or what they're planning or what they're sure. Simanyi byabwe byemanyi byange ne Haji. Abaana baffe.
Emyaka omukaaga egy'obufumbo obutukuvu gikututte gitya ne Haji?
To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie or beat around the bush. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Marriage is the hardest institution I've ever been in. It is so hard, but when you love someone, there are always ups and downs, hardships, challenges, so many, but you endure, you try to find a way. Nature is so hard when I'm married, it is so hard.
Abantu babegomba iwe billionaire, we n'omusajja billionaire. Mufuna ebizibu nammwe mu bufumbo tumanyi mwe mwakigana
Singa bannange ffe abasinga twegomba nammwe abatali ba billionaire. Twegomba nnyo mwe abali eyo abatali ba billionaire. But again, I thank God. People batwegomba bangi. People begomba what we have. I thank God for that. I'm like, who am I? The truth is that not all that glitters is gold. Temwegomba nnyo, temulaba wano, sometimes it's not what it is. But thank you so much, guys.